In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use these Istock videos without watermark in Invideo. If you've ever grabbed a great stock clip only to see a watermark ruin the shot, this walkthrough will show you the simplest way to work with iStock footage directly inside Invideo AI so your edits stay clean and ready to share. First, open Invideo AI. Once you're in your project workspace, look for the Media section. Depending on your layout, you'll see a Media tab or a panel where you can browse stock videos. This is where Invideo AI integrates premium libraries, including iStock, so you can search and add footage without leaving your editor. Next, head into Media or Stock Videos. You'll notice categories and a search bar at the top. This built-in library is curated for editing, which means the clips are high quality and typically come ready for common aspect ratios like landscape, square, and vertical. Take a moment to get familiar with any filters you see, such as orientation, duration, or resolution. Using them will help you quickly narrow down options to match your project's needs. Now search for clips. Type a clear keyword or phrase that describes what you need, like city skyline at night or hand typing on laptop. Refine with additional terms if you want a specific mood or angle. Hover over a result to preview it, listen for any ambient audio it might include, and check the framing to ensure it fits your composition. If you're building a sequence, consider visual continuity. Similar lighting and color tones between shots will help your edit look cohesive. Don't forget to preview several options before choosing the best one. When you find the right clip, add it to your timeline. You can click the add button or drag and drop it straight onto the track. From there, trim the in and out points to keep only the strongest moment, adjust the volume if the clip has audio, and scale or reposition it to fit your canvas. Stack multiple stock clips as B-roll, reorder them to improve pacing, and use transitions or color adjustments to blend them seamlessly with your other footage. As you play back your timeline, you'll notice there's no watermark on the iStock clips. That's because these assets are already licensed within Invideo AI's stock library, so they're cleared for use in your project right away. That's all there is to it. Open Invideo AI, go to Media or Stock Videos, search for the clips you need, and add them to your timeline. Enjoy clean, watermark-free iStock footage and keep your edits looking polished from start to finish.